Penguin is an interactive digital desk, 2-in-1, which is mainly composed of 2 sides, although in reality it can be positioned in 16 intermediate positions. This is possible thanks to an innovative smart locking system that allows adults to reposition this compact microarchitecture while being absolutely safe. And it is child-proof, preventing children from unlocking it. This, in fact, is to ensure maximum safety and to create a piece of furniture that is innovative. Yes, but also completely safe. What we did was integrate a whole range of technological components into a high-quality wooden desk. All these elements serve to enrich the learning experience. In fact, the 2 main surfaces can be positioned either vertically or horizontally, allowing access to a learning experience that can be both analog and digital. The digital side is a large monitor that already includes many educational contents developed by Giunti Scuola, the leading publisher for preschool and primary school in Italy. Together with them, we created the Musi brand, which combines our technological expertise in learning environments with their editorial know-how. Thanks to this, we were able to create the SEMA technological furniture, which already includes many guided experiences that children can engage with directly themselves. The experiences are already included within the monitor and can be enjoyed either by positioning the monitor vertically, in which case, by the way, the monitor can also be used to watch cartoons, picture books, or to listen to music thanks to the audio system integrated into the furniture, or the table can be set up in its analog mode and used as a regular desk in every respect. In this position, the child can work independently and comfortably, using it as a proper desk for drawing, reading, studying in depth, or even working in a group. In this case, the activities can be of various kinds, but to best support STEM activities, which are somewhat our pride and joy, we have designed this removable side of the perimeter to be repositionable. In this way, if I do robotics activities, for example on this surface, I prevent the robots from falling off the table during the children's experiments and trials. The table can also be accessorized with robotics kits and themed mats that can further enrich the activities. Penguin is available both for preschool and for primary school. And it's a truly empowering accessory that engages curiosity and enthusiasm for learning in every aspect. It's suitable for all cultural and educational contexts.